Okay, setting your programmer and correcting the time on your Worcester programmer. So first thing to do is press set. Okay, and then it's asking to set the program, so we press set again and it goes to holiday, and then set again to clock. And then we press the OK button and it's asking if it wants to be 24-hour, so we press yes, set, and now it wants the time, so we press the plus and minus buttons, and it's 9:44 currently, so we just changed it from 8:44 to 9:44, and then we press OK. Oops, it's gone back. 9:44, and then press set, not OK. And then the minutes, press set again, and then now it wants to do the date, so we press, so we're supposed to press OK. So we go back to clock, press OK, set, date, OK, year 2022, so we press set, and then it's the 10th month, so we press set, and it's the 7th day, so we press set, so the date was correct. Daylight saving on, so when the clocks change, the clock here will change automatically, so we'll set that, and then learn off. Might as well have that on if we can do that. Let's have a look. Okay. The learn mode is picking up the signal from the room thermostat, which is wireless. Okay, so setting the programmer is you press the set button and then you hit OK for the programmer, and then it's asking from Monday through to Friday, so we press OK. So the central heating on, so we're going to set that. Oh, that's for the hot water, so we press it again. Program OK, and then central heating OK, and then it has permission to come on at 6:30 in the morning, so that's the time we wanted. So we're going to press set, and then that moves to off at 8:30, so we press set, so we probably want to go off for about an hour, so we're going to go back to 9:30, so we're going to hit the minus button and bring that back to about 9:30, so the heating is off from 8:30 to 9:30. We press and hold and see if it goes a bit quicker. There it is, yeah, it's going down. Might speed up in a second. Yeah, it's going in 10-minute intervals now, that's better. And then 8:30, we had it going off at 8:30, so we want it going on at 9:30. There we go, so that's an hour, so it went back too far. Only 30 more to go. There you go, it's 9:30. And then press OK. Oh no, plus set. Okay, and so off from 9:30 till 12. That's quite a long time to have it off. So we'll go from 9, so on for 8:30 to 9:30 on. Stays on till 12. Okay, so press set. And then off from 12 till 4:30. That can get a bit cold, so we'll bring that back a bit. So we'll go 12 till 2.
Yeah.
Okay. And just press and hold that and wait till it gets back to 14. 17. Oh, that's plus. We want to go the other way. So we're going back. Start going in 10-minute intervals. There we go. Okay, 14, and then press set, and then it goes off at 10 o'clock at night. And then we press set again, and then the hot water, because it's a combi boiler, that's not needed. And then Saturday and Sunday, okay, central heating set. Oops, when it goes central heating on, get rid of the hot water, so set. There we go, so we want to do Saturday and Sunday on the programmer. Program OK, and then OK, central heating, and we want to do for, oops, set, and then hot water, and then Saturday and Sunday, and central heating on Saturday and Sunday. So central heating Saturday and Sunday set. Okay, we're back now. So central heating Saturday and Sunday okay. So on at 7 AM. We'll put it, you leave it at 7 AM, yeah?
Can we do it a bit later?
Okay.
8 or something.
8. Press and hold together at 10-minute intervals. And there we go, 8. So we press OK. On. No, we press set. And then off at 9. So I want to put it to about 11. And then press set, and then on at 12, set, and off at 12, so we want to go off at, say, 3. Come on, 14, 15, set, and then on at 4, set, and then off at 11. Set. So that's the heating. So all these times just give the boiler permission to burn gas to make heat. This is the flow temperature of the radiators, and it's how hot the water is in the radiators, in other words how quickly your house warms up. The thermostat is what decides whether the heating comes on or not. So if it's set to 22, the heating will be on most of the time. If it's set to 10, it will be off most of the time. But if you set it to 17, you will maintain a minimum temperature of your house, stopping you having peaks and troughs in temperature. By having peaks and troughs in temperature, you're going to get hot and cold, and that's going to cost more money. By having a steady level of temperature in your home, it's a much cheaper way to run the system. So the button that says select will move the arrow up and scroll the arrow from top to bottom. Off is obviously off. Timed is going through those 4 periods that I've just set. Once is from the earliest time on to the last time off. So that means it has permission to use gas throughout the day. And then on is 24 hours a day. And the same applies for the hot water if that's connected to a cylinder. But this is a combi boiler, so it's not. And then that way you can close the door on the boiler and run the whole thing on the thermostat. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.